Hello guys, this is Group Life Invader. Today I'm going to introduce you with our web application called MyLinkWix Assembly. And as you guys know, Bitcoin trading is very popular right now, and so is Ethereum coin and some other coins. And the user of our website can not only make their own customized setups, but also can utilize our subscription service and data visualization service to make a more reasonable investment. So let's get started and take a look how it works. First step, we need to log in. Then you can see the home page. In the home page, we can see the setups we have made. This user have made his own 4 setups totally, and we will create a new one for demonstration. So in this frame, user favorite, it will tell different different components you like most from different category. I'm not going to choose one of them. I'm choose some new one. So the first step, I need to choose a motherboard. Then I need to choose a CPU and GPU, RAM, PSU. After we hit the complete, we'll be redirected to the home page of the user. As you can see, there are totally 5 setups right now. And let's say we want to edit the setup, replace the original component with a new component. We just hit the edit. Then we just need to remove the GPU, and then we add a new one, and then we hit complete. And then now, as you can see, there is a brand new GPU that replaces the original one. So let's say we want to delete the setup, we don't want it anymore. So we can delete the one we just created. Then there are 4 setups right now. We can also browse some components of our website. You can hit all components on the left bar. So as you can see, there are many different components in different categories. Let's say I want to look in the detail. I want to look in the detail of this CPU. When we hit the info button, it will direct me to the detail page of the components. So there are some description and some information of this component, and we have implemented our advanced query here to find out the number of distinct users who pick this item, and we can hit more information on Amazon to take a look and buy it. Alright, we are not interested now, so we can just cancel it. Okay, look back to the home page. Now, I'm going to introduce 2 advanced functions of our website. The first one is subscription. For the particular setup, let's select one. I hit the subscribe, and if I subscribe the setup successfully, our web application will deliver a payback period of this setup once a week. And how this payback period be calculated? We will update all the component prices on our website and update the Ethereum price of from API. Then we will calculate the payback period of the particular setup by utilizing these parameters. And then we will deliver the payback period to the email. Let's take a look how the email works. As you can see, this user have subscribed to setups, and for the first one, the payback period will be 571 days. And the second one is 1163 days. So once the payback period meet the requirement of the user, user can just go to buy the components from our websites or from other website. So this is our first advanced function. So let's take a look at other advanced function. Oops. Okay. We can compare our own setup. So the second advanced function is data visualization of the comparison data. As you can see, the first graph compare the parameters of different setups, compare the total price and the payback period. Normally, we think the lower the payback period is, the better the setup would be, and the more user want to invest this setup. And for the second graph, is the total price percentage of your different setups. And for the third graph, we can see that it compares different components in the setups in different category in the CPU. As you can see, it compares the CPU's price, CPU speed from different setups, and also the GPU. For the GPU, it compares the clocks and the price, and for the motherboard, it only compares the price. And for the PSU, it compares the power and the price. And for the RAMs, it compares the size and the RAM. So by looking into this comparison information, the user can make a more reasonable investment for his setups. So this is the demonstration of our website. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.